Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
State President ke National People's Party ubalong ru hagajuk kapor sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Prestone Tinsong ulaong bakum ke Seng hi kamduna ya san hadu Hynrei Ngut Kibreu kiba Kwah banyak konye ke election MP but kini kim day tang na ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Hynrei ki dayru natura Parliamentary Constituency ban kaliang ke State Election Committee kalapet banyak bha bat kala rai ban terwa ya ke kerteng jong ki arngut ki kertong syaki bor bahak lidu jong ke parti bat la menjur ya gini ki kerteng ki ba kinthop ya ke Dr. Maisel Amperin lingdo na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency bat ka agat has sangma natura Parliamentary Constituency Shishoba Prestone ulaong bakum ka parti kadon la ka jong ka jing thmu bala dapet ye ka rukam don kinong thep vote house nem arajar arpulai ka Seng NPP ka de ka bayo bon tam kinong thep vote badulaong bakum ka parti kanya treshitom lingba kinong tre jong ka ban lej shiki kindong kinshrat jong ka jilla ban pensngot ho ye ki pat ba halor ka thong jong ka NPP Hakajuk kapor na kalyang ba Prestone la kinturu ya baro ki sengsan perthei hapo ka jela bakin ai ka jingya snok ti lang kawai ha ka ban kershan ki kertong jong ke NPP baru lopen sngoru de ka baong balingba ka jing treshitom hi kum ka party ka sngo scam bahagni ka kenti jong ke election MP ru kan yo biang ya ka jingjam Hakabay day pat bat ka kong amperin ka banyak kun na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency bat ka balong ru hagajo ka por ka MLA jong ka East Shillong Constituency nakalyang ba Prestone ulaong bakat kum kariti sensar jong kari India ka Dr. Amperin kan peteng hi ka kam kum ka MLA Hynrei la ka job pat kan haban shimti tang ye kawai ka kam lakalong ka MP ni ka MLA
I told you we have not less than 5-6 aspirants, not only from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, but also from Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So ultimately, the State Election Committee has duly examined and proper consultation has also been made, not only up to the district level, but up to the polling booth level. So ultimately, the committee has decided to recommend these two names to the High Command. And again, the High Command has already approved these two names. One is Dr. Amperin Lindo and number two is Mrs. Ïakhun. You are not supposed to know the names. I think that, that is secondary. I think you want to know the name of the candidate. I don't think you want to know the name of the applicant or the aspirant. And no point also of saying that.
But Prestone, we have seen that last assembly election in Kynthei Hills, the number of seats that the NPP got is not much. NPP expected even more seats than that.
Correct.
So in Lok Sabha, how are you planning to go about it?
See, as I said to you, we already have our own strategy. And let me just again remind you, if you go back to the vote percentage of 2023 general election, you will see that still NPP secured the highest vote share. If you don't believe me, please go to the record. Then second, it was UDP. I'm talking about the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Then the third one was Congress. So we are still the highest. So therefore, now from the party side, we will work hard, wholeheartedly, and especially I've already instructed all the newly appointed office bearers to go down up to the village level, not only up to the district level or up to polling booth level. We will reach out up to the village level. For us, we decided both the constituencies and both the women candidates. For the election, as a party, we would request everybody to support or official candidate. Now, since we already declared even the name of the candidate, I would request, be it UDP, be it BJP, be it KNAM, be it SW, be it everybody, if they can, why not support the candidate from the party NPP? The confidence we would see, as I said to you, I have already told you that the vote share, we are the highest as far as Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned. Leave aside Tura. Tura is not the highest. I think we even cross 50%. It's about maybe 52-50%. So this side we are still the highest, and I am very sure once we work harder, we'll be able to even become victorious in this coming election. Well, I think I've already told you, I've already replied right from the very beginning. We have done a detailed examination. We have collected all the details, information, the inputs, not only up to the district level, but even up to the village level. We have done that, and ultimately, because see, in the election, it doesn't mean that you put up male or female. For us, the priority is winnability. So we need to get the best candidate who has every possibility of winning. So therefore, on the basis of that, both these two candidates, we have decided to field.